Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you every major Google AI feature you can use for free in 2026 before spending any money. So let's get started. Google offers a surprisingly generous collection of AI tools at no cost, and many people don't realize how much they can do without a paid subscription. Let's start with Gemini. The free version lets you ask questions, generate text, summarize documents, brainstorm ideas, write emails, translate languages, and even help with coding. It's a great everyday AI assistant for work, school, and personal tasks. Next is Google AI Studio. This is one of the best free tools for developers, creators, and anyone who wants to experiment with Google's latest AI models. You can test prompts, build simple AI workflows, generate code, analyze text, and explore multimodal capabilities directly in your browser. If you use Google Search, you'll also find AI-powered search features available for many users. Instead of just showing links, Google can generate AI summaries that help you understand topics more quickly and continue exploring with follow-up questions. Google Docs, Gmail, and other workspace apps also include some AI-powered features for eligible users, such as writing assistance, summarization, and smart suggestions. The exact features available for free may vary depending on your region and account. For developers, Google also provides free API usage with monthly limits, making it possible to build and test AI applications without paying right away. This is perfect for learning, prototyping, or creating small personal projects. And don't forget about Notebook LM. The free version lets you upload your own documents, notes, PDFs, and other sources, then ask questions about them, generate summaries, and organize information much faster using AI. The key thing to remember is that free plans usually come with usage limits, and premium subscriptions unlock higher limits, additional models, and advanced features. But for most casual users, students, and even many creators, the free tools are more than enough to get started. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe for more Google AI tutorials, tips, and the latest AI updates.